Well, we made two mistakes at the beginning of the match, and that was just key. Afterwards, it was too difficult to come back. One thing is to play nice, good football, but what counts are the goals, and we were unable to score more goals. So that's why we lost tonight. Your questions, please. First question.
We started the game very well. And they scored 2 goals. After it, we have more opportunity for scoring more goals. But we considered a goal. Always I said to my players that 2-0 is a very dangerous result. If the opponent scored a goal, the continue of the match was so tough.
ولی فکر می‌کنم که نیمه دوم این که تونستیم تیم مکزیکو در بخش عملا گفته بودم خیلی خوب هستن کنترل بکنیم نقطه روشنی.
Anyway, I think that that result, that in the second half we controlled the result of the match, is a good point for us.
मजगती फातोड्डे ग्राउंडार क्वार्टर फायनल खेळपाक USA टीम गोंयांत पावली. शेनवारा 21 ऑक्टोबराक ते इंग्लंड जपान मॅचीत जो जिखता ताचे आड खेळटले. ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट.